Okay, so again, the decimal form of 3/4 is 0.75, or we say it's 75 hundredths. Okay, so let's proceed with another one. So we have example to express 1/3 the decimal form. So we have here the steps, but I'm not going to discuss this method anymore, but instead, mas stick ko yung class sa long division. Kay amo to ang nakita ko nga mas hapos i-compare sa amo nga method. So, galing ang method ng long division, wala na siya sa inyong nga module. So, if you happen to see this video, hopefully, mangin great help sa inyo. Okay, so let's have 1/3. Okay, so by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So we have here, when we divide 1 by 3, of course, hindi ko pwede ma-divide ang 1 by 3. If ang ato nga 1 is dividend, ang dividend natin is 1, ang ato divisor is 3. So what we're going to do is we have to add 0 to make it 10. Kag pwede na siya ma-divide sa 3. So when you divide 10, but don't forget nga dapat may decimal point kita, di kinag-add kita 0, but it is a whole number, 10, kung i-divide ka siya sa divisor. So 10 divided by 3, we get 3. And don't forget to copy the decimal point. So we have here 3, amo ni siyang unang quotient. Tapos sa divide, i-multiply ta ang 3 by 3 to get 9. So, 3 times 3 is 9. And then, kung nakuha ta ng product, which is 9, isubtract ta ina sa aton nga dividend. So, 10 minus 9, we get 1. Balik naman taliwat sa division. However, 1 cannot be divided by 3, so kailangan ma-add ta di sa babaw 0. Para hindi kita budlayan, kag pwede natin ma-bring down ining 0 to make 1, 10. So, pwede na taliwat ka divide. 10 divided by 3 is also 3. Para siyang ikaduwang quotient. And then, multiply it again by 3. So, 3 times 3 is 9. And then, subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. So, hindi pwede liwat ma-divide ang 1 sa 3. So, what we did here, nag-add kita liwat 0 to bring it down para mahimo ni 10. So, 10 divided by 3 is 3. For the third quotient, 3 times 3 is 9. And then 10 minus 9 is 1. However, ang ating answer, gabalik-balik lang siya sa 3. So therefore, pwede nakita ka stop. Buot silingon, ang ating nga answer is repeating and non-terminating decimal. Gasulit-sulit lang ang ating nga decimal, kag wala siya naga-untat. Meaning to say, it is infinite. Wala katapusan. So, therefore, pwede nakita ka stop sa 1 na lang di, and then our final answer, tatlo lang ka digits. So, this is 0.333 or 0.333 or pwede man 333,000. Di ba mo na siya mag-read kita basing on the chart yung ginapakita ko sa inyo a while ago, pag-ara manada sa inyo nga module. Okay, so kabay pa nga na insindihan. So, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so let's have example number 3. Express 1/9 to decimal form. So, this time, again, hindi ko ni pag-i-discuss. I will let you study this. Kaya do medyo budlay ni siya. But instead, mag-proceed ko yung sa method nga mas hapos. Okay, so by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So we have 1/9. So that is equal to 1 divided by 9. Since 1 cannot be divided by 9, so ma-add kita 0. So therefore, mahimo siya 10. So don't forget the decimal point again. So 10 divided by 9, so we have 1. So 0.1. And then after dividing, we multiply 1 times 9, we get 9. Then subtract 10 minus 9, we have 1. Okay, so again, for the second quotient, we have to divide 1 by 9, but it can't be divided. So what we are going to do is to again add 0 so that pwede natin ma-bring down to make it 10. Okay, so 10 divided by 9 is 1. And then after getting the quotient or the second quotient, we have to multiply it by 9. So 1 times 9, we have 9. And then subtract 10 minus 9 is 1. Now, as you can see, again, ang ating yung answer, balik-balik lang man siya. So, pwede lang taka-stop sa ikaduwa lang digit. So, this time, this is read as 0.11 or 11 hundredths. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so example number 4, we have 1 over 11 to decimal form. Okay, sige. Here, again, di ko na siya pag-discuss, but pa-proceed ko sa isa ka method ng long division. So, by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So, we have here 1 over 11. So, we have 1 divided by 11. Again, 1 cannot be divided by 11, so we need to add 0. However, nag-add na ta 0, and then may decimal point na ta. However, hindi siya gyapon pwede. Okay? So, instead, ang isulat natin sa answer natin, copy the decimal point, and then masulat kita 0 para makaproceed kita sa next, nga maka-add kita 0 to make it 100. So, this time, 100 divided by 100 divided by 11. This time is 9. Okay? So, 9 times 11, multiply ta, we have 99. So, 100 minus 99 is 1. Now, ang matabo di class, amo man sa gyapon, sulit-sulit man siya gyapon because ang ato nga answer di is repeating and non-terminating decimal. Same man to sa previous natin yung mga example. So, ma-stop na lang kita sa 1, and then ang aton answer, we have 0.09, or we can say it's 9 hundredths. Okay? So,